Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day and happy first day of autumn officially. And so to commemorate this day, I thought I would do an eye look, which is this what I'm wearing right now. And I thought I would start bringing up my sweaters and rich colors into my eye look. And so I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. So for this look, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the Chillin in Chicago eyeshadow palette. I actually did a review about this a little bit ago, so if you're interested in it, I will leave a link in the description box below so that you can watch it and find out a little bit more about this palette. But I'm going to use it for this specific look today. And as I was, using this and trying it out, one of the things I noticed when I was making this look is it would be best to wait until you're done with your eye look to do the rest of your makeup. The reason that being is because I noticed the glitter was just a major fallout, and I could notice it just all down here in the bottom of my eye when I was done. So I would recommend you would wait until you're done to then do the rest of your makeup. So here's what we're gonna do. So for this look, I'm gonna use kind of a smaller crease brush. I'm actually gonna be using also some of the Chillin in Chicago eyeshadow brushes, and I'm gonna be using the number 5. I've actually already primed my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a deep dish, which is this really nice rusty kind of red, and I'm actually going to put that kind of on this side here. And blend it out in this outer corner right here, and I'm actually going to drag it out too in the bottom a little bit. I'm going to place it down there as well. So I'm just going to go all the way from the outside to the inside part, and I'm just going to then smudge it on the inside of my eye here. So that we have a bit of a halo effect here going on. Okay, and I'm actually going to be using an e.l.f. brush, an eye crease brush, and the head of it is really small and a little more focused in, which is what I want. And I'm going to be taking Grizzly and Sky Deck, and I'm going to kind of mix those two together. And I'm actually going to put it just like on the outside part here. And I'm not putting it directly into this corner here, I'm putting it on the inside part of my lash. So we just get it like right in there. And that's all I wanted. I just want focusing on that specific spot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with that previous brush and the shade and just give it a good, nice blend. Give it that rich color again. And then what I'm going to do next now is I'm going to take some concealer, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take kind of a small flat end brush here. I'm just going to take that, just make it really small, and I'm going to take some of the concealer and I'm going to put it right in the center of my eye here. So then the glitter, which I'm going to put right here, will stick on really good. Even though the concealer will keep the glitter in place, I still would recommend you waiting till after because there is just fallout. That's just how it is. The colors that I'm going to use for the glitter center here is I'm going to be using 312 and Chi Town. So I'm going to use those two, kind of a mixture. Really want it to pop. Okay. And then again, I'm going to go back with the number 5 brush and that same shade Deep Dish. And I'm just again going to kind of blend in and soften those edges with that. And I'm just going to come back here with that elf color, or the elf brush, the dark color. Again, I'm just going to come in here, just give it a little more depth and color. And then what I did is I like to put on some liner and mascara, and it looks really, really great. So then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on some liner and mascara on the side and then also finish the other side, and I'm going to finish my makeup and we will come back. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoy this look. I think it looks great. Definitely welcoming the new season and all that it has to offer. You know, like my sweater and a dark lipstick, you know, it's time for the change. And so I can officially say, yes, let's do autumn now. It's officially the new season. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you have a great day, great week, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you. Take care. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.